Today, we're going to look at our task and ideate different ways we can solve the problem. Let's review our task. Are you a healthy eater? Do you make good choices about food? Do you even know what foods are healthy for you? Which foods do you want and which do you need? Let's help each other learn to make healthy eating choices. Most healthy foods grow in a garden. Let's explore how to grow healthy foods. Ideate the perfect garden and ways to share how to make healthy eating choices. We will advocate for healthy eating and earn money by selling the food from our garden. Let's think about ways that we can share ideas on how to make healthy eating choices. Step 1. Pause the video and go get this paper. Once you get your paper, start by putting your name at the top. Next, I want you to think about some ideas you have on what kinds of healthy foods you think people should eat. In the first box, draw what you think you can do to tell others that they need to eat healthy. There's a spot to draw a picture and a little line if you want to write 1 or 2 words to go with it. Next, what's another idea you have? How can you tell others that they should be eating healthy? Draw your second idea. And then you're going to draw a third idea. Once you have your idea that you like the best, you get to sift. What is your golden idea? If this is your golden idea, you're going to circle it. If this one's your golden idea, circle this one. Or circle your last one. Pick one idea that you like the best to be your golden idea.